What do you expect?
Sharks, rays, and fun.
Got the little shorty on.
Safety first. Probably not the best day for climbing the mast.
On va trouver le pain au chocolat. Oui.
This is the story of a sailboat named Sylvia and the ragtag crew that call her home. Join us each week as we explore our planet both above and below the surface and find out what it's really like to live a life at sea. This is Expedition Drenched.
Last time we sailed 405 miles from Samoa to Wallis and Futuna. Those two islands lie 230 kilometers away from each other and are linked through French governance, but that's where the connection ceases. Wallis has ancestral connections with Tonga, while Futuna traces its roots to Samoa. We were pretty excited for the French influences, such as some specific treats like pain au chocolat, but also because apparently there are only 30 boats per year that visits this remote place. Ooh, what's all this?
Getting ready for diving.
What do you expect?
Sharks, rays, and fun.
High expectations.
Yeah.
It's no murky water, nothing. It's gonna be perfect. I mean, Brett dreamed about the goat shark today, so maybe we're lucky.
I had a little dream that I met like a shark worshipper last night and he was calling in great whites. I don't like our chances of a great white around here, but it's pretty cool. I woke up like 3 in the morning super excited because I had this crazy dream. It was on those dreams that you can't tell what's real and what's reality. So.
We are diving the Devil's Hole.
Yeah? What's it called?
The Trou du Diable.
Yeah.
It's 30 meters deep. We're expecting to see lots of manta rays, black tip sharks, and more cool stuff.
Expecting, I like it.
It's a lot of expectations.
Norea's got high expectations. This is your first deep dive, huh?
Yes, it is. So it's quite exciting.
Portland, this is Emily's first dive with us.
Yeah.
Right. Can you hear me? You see the bottom? Sweet as. We'll see you in a minute, buddy.
The expectations to find manta rays or sharks could not be realized during our dive in Le Trou du Diable, but it didn't really matter since the water was crystal clear. We saw some beautiful corals and some underwater species that I've never saw before. This is a pipefish. They are a subfamily of small fishes including the seahorses and sea dragon. How was it? Did you find the hole?
Found the hole.
Devil's Hole.
Found it.
Was it dark?
So much devil.
Dude, this sun says booming.
That's my pineapple.
Jordan pineapple over pineapple.
I'm finally here.
You happy in your little pineapple?
It's so good.
Look
You're upside down.
It's the upside down pineapple cake.
Upside down pineapple cake. Double fisting Chloe.
Yeah, let's check out the pineapple.
You're gonna get on it. Yeah. Well, that definitely is made for 2 people.
So we had our party lights on last night, and we attracted like 7 million of these tiny little flying ant things onto the boat. And they're all stupid and they all died on our boat. So now we've got like 1 million bug corpses that we have to clean up. Bad. It's a murder scene. It's got that little shorty on.
Safety first.
What are you doing?
I'm just gonna go inspect the mast, like the spreaders and the rigging. We had a little crack in one of the spreaders, so I just want to climb right to the top, check everything out, just for peace of mind.
It looks like your fucking scrotum is like swedging right in there.
The thighs are pushing the limits.
Yeah.
Probably not the best day to climb the mast. We're up gonna be. I don't know if you can see. Well, other than the crack, everything looks pretty good. Minor crack in the spreader. Try and sort that out. Just gonna take in the view for a bit.
Woohoo! The decks are finished and it looks white and clean. Bye bye, bugs. What are you up to, Will?
I'm gonna solve a little dinghy issue. Our depth sounder came loose because it was on the stays that we transported on the front deck, and it hit against it and now it came off, so I'm going in the water because the dinghy's already in the water. Use our little Nemo drill friend and I'm gonna screw it back in.
Thanks, Nemo!
Thanks, Nemo.
We got the boat all cleaned up. We got the dinghy all patched up. And now we're gonna go into the town and we're gonna get a pan au chocolat. So we have some new neighbors and it looks like a super sweet miniature version of Sylvia. Look at this boat! It's so cool! It's a baby Sylvia!
I think I need something like that.
Yeah.
On va trouver le pain au chocolat.
Oh, my French is like, I can understand maybe like 50 to 70%. And there was a few parts where I got lost, but then when we were talking about the pan au chocolat, and we were like, oh, we love it. She was like, who doesn't love pan au chocolat? Which, if you don't know what that is, it's basically, it's kind of like a square croissant with chocolate in the middle. It's fucking good.
And that's the mission today.
That's the mission.
Pan au chocolat.
I got mustard.
Finally found it. Recycling.
One of the cleaner islands, I think.
Yeah. It's not always common to find recycling in the island, so. Good job.
You smell the smell of
Pain au chocolat? Not yet, to be honest. I would like to be able to say yes, but I feel we're getting closer. Pain au chocolat ici? C'était ce matin, mais on a plus. Il n'y a aucun autre endroit où il y a peut-être quand même encore.
So we can make a reservation for.
Yeah, so there are 40 croissants every day. Let's first have a look if we find somewhere else, and otherwise I think it's a good idea to make a little reservation.
They sold out at 5:30 a.m.
Yeah.
Dude, let's open a croissant. Let's open a bakery. We would be. What I
didn't think finding a croissant would turn out to be our biggest mission.
What I tell you? 15,000 croissants a day we will make, and we will make $30,000.
Il y a tout ce qui est pain au chocolat, croissant, chaussons de femme, oui.
À cette heure-ci encore?
À cette heure-ci, vous pouvez encore en avoir, oh oui.
Ok.
Ouais.
Ok, merci.
Voilà, je vous en prie.
Oh, we're on the right track. I can smell them.
I feel like we're on like a scavenger hunt where you have to follow the clues.
We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it.
So we've been asking many people where we can get our pain au chocolat, and the lovely woman from the shop insisted on taking us to not only the bank to get money, but then driving us to the place where we can find the pain au chocolat. So we've got the entire community behind us. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna get to go. We're gonna get to try.
We're at the bank changing money out, and I always get a kick out of like other people's money. You got Moorish idols, Nautilus, Parrotfish, Pearl.
I even got a Coke.
Here's Samoas.
I think we found it. We found the patisserie. It's taken us about 2 days to reach this moment, and we've had the help of probably at least 15 different people that have given us advice and directions, and the woman that closed down her shop to drive us here. So, and it's finally time. Here we go.
Join us next time as we try to collect as many French treats as possible.
I'm gonna lose my baguettes!
As we end the evening with cheese, baguettes, and a cheap bottle of champagne.
In the spirit of being as French as we can.
And as a local called Michel helps us through a very narrow passage.
We make one wrong move, he'll be like,
Bonjour, bonjour, attention.
So this is a really sad moment for us. We cannot make it. We cannot make it to the karaoke. And we were ready to sing and to share with you the songs and everything. But maybe we'll have sex tonight. Maybe we can fix it with it.
did you say maybe we'll have sex?
Oh, you got this, okay? This is for us, only for us.